Okay, Bratans, we see Bitcoin as expected dumping. We broke down, as I told you yesterday, this falling wedge. We broke it to the downside, and we see right now Bitcoin further dumping to our price target. The first one is 4,800. The second one is 40,500. As soon as we break this red line, and this is the biggest danger, as soon as we break this red line, then we are expecting, because it's a 2-3 years resistance and support line, we are expecting that we will dump as low as the monthly support to the price tag of 30,800. So this is our big price target. Solana is perfectly working out. We are right now $3,900 in profit. We broke down the price target of $110. You see here, we perfectly broke it down. The next price tag would be around $99. As you see here, a lot of resistance. We are bouncing back right now. It all obviously depends on Bitcoin. In case Bitcoin breaking to the upside, I don't expect that Solana would further dump. So everything is depending on Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin further dumping, I'm expecting we will go to $100 approximately. And don't forget, we are 131 days away from the Bitcoin halving, and I'm expecting here clearly further dump to the downside. As we see here perfectly, we retested our resistance line, which was our support line here, this one at 43,500. We retested it to the upside, and then we further broke down. So I'm expecting here Bitcoin further to bleed down. Good morning, happy lucky Blatan, and to reach at least our price at 40,800, and so does also Solana, expecting further to dump. I even think about to add to my position here, because we're perfectly retesting here. We are retesting even, I think we could say even we are retesting here this line. Wait a minute. Solana retesting even here this line at $130, $114 as you see it. Wait a minute, maybe I make it a little bit bigger, because we are trying to retest this level. I'm expecting that we see further dump here clearly, as we see Bitcoin also dumping. Let us quickly watch what are the winner of the market today. So we see here Mina, Sai, Pancake, Polygon, BNB is pumping hard right now. Stacks, Render, so some AI protocols, some decentralized exchanges. Mina, by the way, pumped heavily, 20%. That's huge. But what pumped in the last 1 hour? Okay, not much. Not much. Okay, so in case Bitcoin breaking down, to our price target of 30,000, as I told you, in case we are breaking down, I expecting altcoins also to bleed. I don't expect altcoins to move heavily to the upside if Bitcoin further will bleed. We can watch on the crypto bubbles. We see it even better. Matic, we saw Matic pumped in the last hour. Tau, so Tau is one an AI project pumped. So this will be, and I hope we will dump to the price of 30,000, and later or start of the year, I hope we will close the CME gap, and I'm pretty sure we will close the CME gap. The first CME gap, as we spoke yesterday, the first CME gap is here around between 40,000 and 39,000, and the next CME gap, which I'm expecting that we will close it, is at the price target between, you see it very clear, 21,000 and 20,000. So I hope we will close it, because in case we see Bitcoin break down to 20k, this will be the last opportunity where we can enter very, very cheap some altcoins or even Bitcoin. I mean, depends where you are more on the safe side or you want more risk. So I'm more on the risky side, so I'm watching to buy some altcoins which are pumped heavily in the last, we can watch in the last 7 days, like Near. I'm definitely watching to buy more Solana. I would like to buy more Solana, because Solana we bought, I mean right now it's $110. We bought it Solana at $15 when it dumped. I showed you. I want definitely to buy more Ordi, because Ordi is definitely will be, you can call it meme coin on the BRC20 chain. This is the first first coin created on the BRC20 chain. So I'm watching to buy more of Ordi, and I hope that Ordi will cool down to $25-30 as I showed you yesterday. Definitely I would like to buy more Aptos we also bought when it was, I don't know, $5. Sui bought also at 60 cents or something like that. So Sui I would like definitely to buy more. Phantom is also a no-brainer. Always Phantom is pumping always when Bitcoin pumping and slightly after. So Phantom is always nice to buy when you see, in my opinion, this is what I'm doing. If Bitcoin pumps a little bit, then you know with a little bit delay Phantom will follow. It's crazy. It's always like that. I mean, it's not a guarantee, but usually it's always like that. Polkadot I also watching. It's definitely on my list to buy more of it. We are holding a lot of Polkadot, but it's definitely what I want to buy more if Bitcoin is cooling down. Sandbox is a gaming coin which I also watching definitely to buy more. Arbitrum, we bought also a lot of Arbitrum. We bought under $1. This could be also some which I would like to buy, but one of the biggest categories which I want to focus on is, to be honest, this is where I want to put the most of the money in, is ordinals. Is there a category ordinals? There's even no category on coin market cap. Ordinals, gaming is definitely one, and AI is definitely one. Where we have AI. Is AI above already in the market cap, above gaming or under? Where we have metaverse, gaming 20 billion market cap. That's so low, man. This is so low. It's so early. This is unbelievable. So where we have AI, okay. Jobana Europa. AI and big data. I don't see, is it above gaming or under gaming? Oh. Here we have AI, but where we have gaming? Jokto, mein Blatt. I don't see music. Music is above even. Wow. Music. Yeah, music is definitely also big. Anyways, I can't see it. So, and what we have on AI is definitely what I would like to buy cheaper back is Injective. We can have a look quickly on Injective. Injective is definitely one of the big blue chip projects, but it's definitely way overbought right now. We bought it back. When we bought it back, I have to watch again the Telegram group, which is you can join the Telegram group for free. Link is in the description. We bought it, I can't remember, even at below $10, I think, somewhere here. How low we could go? We could definitely go as low as there are several price targets. So, but I expecting as low as $21 we could definitely go, and if we are lucky, we could go even as low as $15. Because it obviously depends how low Bitcoin will go, but we could go as low as $15. But $21, I think it's we could definitely pull down to $21, which would be from here 50%, 40%, and 57% to $15, which is usually what you see if Bitcoin is cooling down. This is usually what you see in altcoins. They're breaking down 50, 60, 70% if Bitcoin cooling down. So these are the price targets which I'm watching for to enter, to buy Injective, because Injective is definitely from $20 expecting 10x at least. Injective is a no-brainer which I'm watching. Cubic is definitely the most blue chip project which we bought at 200 per billion. Right now it's 3,000 per billion. But let's go back on AI. So on AI, Fat AI I would also buy cheaper. Fat AI we bought at 15 cents or something like that. So let us quickly have a look on Fat, where we have Fat. So Fed is definitely a blue chip project, but it's already pumped really huge. So I never would buy right now more of it, because we have here Fed. So we perfectly reached our price target. That's amazing. So yeah, we could Fed. Oh, Fed looks very strong. Wow, Fed looks very strong. So we could cool down as low as 51 cent. This is definitely what we could, but lower it will be hard. I think 51 cent or 51 cent could be another 51 cent. Maybe we could see it also here at this levels. This would make sense. 1 second. This would make sense. Yes, we could maybe, if we are lucky, at 40 cents, because you see it here would come a support line, and here we see it crosses, because we have here a lot of resistance coming in. Here's a lot of resistance, here's huge resistance also, and here it was a huge resistance. So we could, if we are lucky, go as low as 40 cents, where I definitely would buy more Fed. This would be nice. So I'll make some reminders here. Fed is definitely, but one of the AIs which we didn't saw pumped quite, where we didn't saw huge pump, is AGX. AGX, I'm holding also a lot of AGX, and AGX has also huge potential. So at least also obviously 10x from here, I'm expecting from AGX. And yeah, AGX could cool down. I mean, it didn't have a huge pump yet, because you see the price target is here way above 44 cents in the immediate short term, which would be from here on, well, 1 second, which would be from here on 31%. But yeah, if Bitcoin further cooling down, I'm expecting that AGX will cool down at least at 28 cents, because see here support, clearly here resistance, and here you see some support coming in, here huge resistance. So we could go as low as 28 cents, which possibly a nice buy opportunity, and it would be, I mean, from here 15x, and immediate short on 50%. So this could be also a nice buy opportunity. Why AGX and Fed? Because I mean, if you're watching, Fed has a total market cap of 600 million. You see it, romance music. 600. Where's Speculative? Here you have 600 million, but AGX has 400 million market cap. And if you're watching the injective, which is obviously the leading, I mean, yeah, you have ICP, but fuck ICP, yes, I missed it, so fuck it. Injectives 3 million, so you see there's a huge potential. It's like 5x from here on Fed till they reach injective, or nearly 10x for AGX. So this is definitely what I'm watching to buy back. Echelon Prime is a gaming AI thing, so this is also definitely what I'm watching to buy back. Let me also here watch. I had actually to change the title to my favorite altcoins to buy back as soon as Bitcoin cooling down. So this is definitely, so you see it here, we could cool easily down to $6.70. Man, fuck, it pumps so hard, man. But still, I mean, the market cap is very low compared to other one. I mean, you see it's 3 times less than FedAI, for example. So this could be, I think this will be one of the blue chip projects, also Echelon Prime. But the more we are going down the market cap, the higher is the risk, right? So let me make here some reminders. I mean, super blind, what's that? So if it's cooling down, to price out $5.50 big. Yeah, it's nice. This would be a nice buyback. It easy 80% if we're cooling down the immediate short term, even 80%. So this is definitely what I would like to buy back. Then we have, let us quickly go back. What we have. Tau is definitely also one. Why it's not sorted by market cap? Tau is definitely also one. I mean, it has already 1.6 billion. Let me quickly have a look on Tau. So I show you how I'm doing, how I'm analyzing the coins, and please do your own research on all of that. Okay, Tau, so huge pump. I mean, when was the project released? Here we have Tau. Since March 2023. Okay, I have to watch another exchange because Tau USD, where to pay, where we could usually KuCoin has it much earlier than everyone else. Okay, they don't have it. Huh? Just listed it. Okay, this Tau US. Maybe it was a big exchange which listed it. Maybe. Ah, nice. Max has it. Okay. So yeah, we see it's a young project, but what we could see if we are lucky, so we could definitely see cool down to $159 or even to $120. These are definitely some price targets where we could re-enter, but definitely we could see $160. So this would be nice. This would be dump 40% or 55%. Man, I'm so good in TA. Slavic Younger is the best in TA. The 50% is usually what we see altcoins dumping when Bitcoin dumped, as I told you before already. So this is what I definitely want to buy. It would bring also the market cap. The market cap is right now 1.6 billion to 1 billion approximately, at least. I mean, the fully dilute market 5 million, it's not fully diluted. Maybe it also not brings so high, so low the market cap. But yeah, this is what I also definitely want to buy back. Immutable X is usually also no-brainer. I mean, it pumped already heavily. The all-time high was at $8. We are right now at $2, so 4x. But also this I wouldn't buy now. I would also here wait until it cool down. So where we have Immutable X. Immutable X, super black. Where is Immutable X? I can see it. I am. I guess well. Is it safe to short Solana from here, bro? You are in the wrong business if you are talking about safe. It's really a wrong business. I mean, if I would go in a short right now, I would make sure that my stop loss is above 127, so above the all-time high, right? My liquidation price 129, so I use liquidation price as like stop loss. So it's above. I mean, it depends how much risk you're willing to take. I mean, if you're more risky, you can make above 114, so or above $117 above these peaks, right? It depends how much risk you're willing to take. So there is no safe. You cannot speak about safe here in crypto. There is nothing safe, because if tomorrow is coming huge news, BlackRock ETF will be approved, which will not happen. But if then we see huge pump and you get liquidated immediately in a second. So there's nothing like safe. So yeah. So let me quickly watch Immutable X again before I getting into rage and the hate speech. I cannot bled. Okay, now. So yeah, Immutable X. So Immutable X can easily, but easily cool down to this price target. To this price target at $1.60 easily, which would be a dump of 30%. And the next one could be as low as $1.20. So these are the two price targets. So either 30% or around 46%. I think these are definitely the price targets to watch. So I make some alerts to buy it back. I mean, if we are cooling down to $1.20, this would be easy 80% profits easily. And I'm really praying that we will see a huge Bitcoin dump, that the dump to 21K will work out. But I'm pretty sure it will be. We will close the CME gap. We will close the CME gap. We will close the CME gap. But you remember we have another CME gap open, which is at where it was. There was another CME gap open. I mean, we're laughing right now, but imagine it would work out. It would work out. We never closed the CME gap here. Look at this CME gap. Damn. Imagine. Wait a minute. Where is my? Where I can draw like this. This one. We never closed this. See? Here. Between 9,800 and 9,700. Imagine we could, man, if we would go as low as this, I would jump of happiness. I mean, my whole portfolio would be destroyed, completely destroyed. But bro, if Bitcoin would go as low as 9,000, it will not. It would be a dream. Because imagine what happened with altcoins. Altcoins getting 99% destroyed. You can with, if you put $10,000 in the crypto market or $100,000, you will become like multi-millionaire. Brothers, I would appreciate if every one of you hit the like button. We are only 30 people watching, and I really appreciate that in this early morning you are watching. So I would appreciate if you hit the like button. With 7 likes right now. Maybe I should increase my Solana position. Maybe I should increase. Maybe I should increase my Solana position. It's very risky because my stop loss, my liquidation price would go down, which is pretty risky. But no risk, no fun. Oh, no. Should I? I don't know. Maybe I add $1,000. Right now I'm 35K. Yeah, but it's too risky. Here would be perfect. 130 would be nice re-entry. 500, then the stop loss will not go. The liquidation price will not go down as low as. I get greedy. I will wait. I'm in a good position right now. I will wait. I will wait. Or what do you think? I think I should wait. But I mean, Bitcoin, look how perfectly, damn, this is so, I'm so proud. It's so perfectly working out. And don't forget, the thing is, this is what you usually in German say. The very interesting part is, look at this. You see this resistance line, I draw it, I don't know how many weeks ago. You see it's a huge, here it's a huge support line, here it was resistance and support, here it's a support line. Here you see how perfectly we tried to break it to the upside, didn't manage it. I mean, this, it looks so perfectly, and that we are retesting here this ascending broadening wedge at 31,800 approximately, not 31,800, sorry, not 31,800. I mean, we are on the weekly, that we are here at 30,800. Wow, crazy look. 30,800, you see it's a support line of this ascending broadening wedge, and 30,800 is our monthly support line. Crazy, isn't it? And then we are breaking it to the upside, bam, to here, to our price target 60k approximately. Everyone thinks we are going bull run, and after, shortly before the Bitcoin ETF, boom, we are breaking down to approximately 20k, 21k here, down, boom, to close the CME gap, and then the Bitcoin ETF gets approved and we are running into a bull run. This is my prediction. Deal with it. Deal with it. Make a screenshot and tell me that I'm right. And after, yeah, we can reach as high as between 130 and 150k. I think around 130, between 130 and 150k, 130, 140, 150k approximately. And usually, as I told you, always we need 1 year. So in April is the halving, and the top of the bull market will be mid 2025 and 2025. So it's exactly 1 year the bull run, between 1 and 1.5 years. If you're watching here on the big picture, I mean, I showed you already, but I show you again. So you see here the bull run started in May 2020 and ended in the top was at November 2021, so 1.5 years approximately. The bull run 2016, June was the halving 2016, and December 2017 ended the bull run, so exactly 1.5 years. And the bull run in October 2012, so April was the halving, October 2012, and the bull run ended December 2013, so also 1.5 years. Exactly after the halving, 1.5 years, between 1.5 years, the bull market or the huge bull run is lasting. I mean, if you say we are already in the bull run because we bottomed out, and I don't think that we will reach 15k again, then we are already in a bull run. But I mean, if you consider the bull run after the halving, it's exactly 1.5 years. So between 130 and 150k we will reach mid 2025. So one last chance to buy back is here when we test one more time this between 20 and 22k, and then boom. I mean, if you would from here on invest only in Bitcoin, you make already 500%, which would be 5x. Crazy. Imagine with altcoins, this will be crazy, man. I really hope. What do you think of Render? Render also, definitely Render is a project which has a huge potential and will be definitely a blue chip project, but Render has a huge market cap, I think, 1.8 billion. And they work with somebody together, I forgot. Didn't they work together with Nvidia also. I can't remember. 1.8 billion. Yeah, possibly. Render could be also a nice, definitely. I mean, pumped heavily, but you see it here. We could cool down at $2.70, which would be amazing. So also nice buyback. So render. Let me also here render, because in case we are cooling down as low as this, I will buy all this AI. I will completely focus ordinals and AI, maybe gaming also, but ordinals and AI. But gaming is definitely also a big thing, and gaming didn't saw the bull run yet. So yeah, doesn't matter where. Let me Coinbase did that. Maybe so. Wow. Render reached nearly all-time high. Crazy. So yeah, we see here we could definitely cool down to this level of here of. Maybe we'll go on the weekly. It's better. So we could definitely cool down to $2.70, which would be nice. I'm logarithmic. Wait a minute. Yeah, I would say around $2.80 maybe, which would be from here. %, yeah. It's where we can definitely cool down. $2.70. You see here a lot of resistance. Here it was support and resistance. It was resistance. We could. I mean, back would be boom 80%. It's definitely a possibility, but the bigger one would be definitely the first price target would be around $3.10, which is also nice, because if we buy here back, it's 58%. Bam. Let's make some at lower. I mean, a dream would be to go to $1.90. I don't think so. I think better to injective render. Yeah, it could be all possible. Yes, Bitcoin is amazingly doing. We get it here rejected, so I expecting here we're going back into this red zone, which was hard to break, which is around 36, and then to 3,800 approximately. This big picture you should definitely draw yourself also in your trading view, so you have a good overview of the big picture, because you always sometimes forget the big picture, you know. Yes, PYR is also definitely on my list. It's a gaming coin which was also huge in the previous bull run. The all-time high was at $44, $7.90. It's right now market cap 215 million. The market cap was around 1 billion. So yes, definitely a coin which I'm also watching to buy, but it has to cool down. So I mean, we are right now, we pumped to $7.90. 90, so $4, $5 approximately, then we can buy it back. Wait a minute, I also put it here on my list. I have it already here. So monthly, it's a gaming coin, yeah. So it could definitely cool down to, so definitely what is $5.80 is definitely where we cool down, and $4.70 are also approximately $4.78, $4.80, yeah, which would be from here, boom, how much? 67%, yeah, it's nice. You see, the good thing is, if we have here like a small relief rally, it's nice to see which coins are pumping, because usually they will pump after cool down also, so that's a nice thing about it. I hope I answered your questions. What do you think about tier? What was tier? I forgot about tier. And I have to watch if my son woke up. My son didn't wake up, but he will wake up in 13 minutes. So, it's, yeah, definitely also a blue chip project. Yeah, Celestia, or how you call it. Definitely also I'm watching to buy back, man. I'm so lucky that I have you guys, Blood, because you remember me on coins to buy back. I mean, it has already huge market cap, but this is a project which is like cubic. It can be even bigger. Wait a minute, since when it was? Since November 2023, October 2023, yeah, perfect. Okay, so yeah, we see, you see it had pump only, it didn't have a cool down at all, and this is very good, because I expecting here cool down, especially the fully diluted market cap, пиздец, блядь, 12 billion. You see, fully diluted 12 billion. Come on, Jovan Evrot, this is too much. This is too much. So this one will cool down heavily. So we will see at least a cool down to $7.20. So I never ever would right now buy it back. It reached all-time high right now. So the local all-time high, $15. It's definitely the all-time high. We can compare it to Aptos, for example, Aptos, or where we have Aptos or Sui. I mean, when Aptos topped out, you see it here, $20, it cooled down by 75%, and we can compare it to Sui. This is the same high project, 75%. Let us watch how much Sui cooled down from the top. Sui cooled down by also 70%. You see they're similar, 70%. So, and arbitrage, we can compare it. I compare right now not by the functions of the project or technical things. I'm comparing by the hype, because it's usually all only narratives which are hyped, and you can very good compare them. Arbitrum didn't have even this huge pump, but yeah, Arbitrum 60%. So at least I expecting here cool down of 60% at least. So 60% cool down from the top would be so definitely cool down to between $6 and $4.40. So I would say perfectly matches what I also thought, what we see here in the charts. We see here a lot of resistance, $6.80 coming in. The next one, $5.50. So definitely these are the buyback levels. It's overhyped right now, overbought. It's definitely $6.80, $5.50. These are the price targets. 50%, 65%. The lowest we can go, I think, is $5.60 approximately, which would be cool down of approximately 70%. This would be a nice buyback opportunity. This would be very nice. Imagine if we are cooling down here to $5.50, $5.60. It's a no-brainer. Bam, 200% will pump easily. It's all not a guarantee, but 100K throwing in. Baban, blad. Or Shiba Inu, I will not buy at all. You're welcome, Bratan. Tao is AI coin. Yeah, I know Tao is AI coin. I told it also. Regarding Shiba Inu, I'm not fan of Shiba Inu because Shiba Inu had the hype already. It's like Dogecoin, you know. There are like upcoming meme coins like we have on the BSC20, like Ordinals, Sats, Papers also on Ordinals. And we have the classic meme coins, which are Paper and Bonk, Huyonk, you know, all this. So I think they will lose on market cap. So yeah, this is what I think. Therefore, I'm not a fan of Shiba Inu, especially Shiba Inu has already a huge market cap. Let us go watch in the category meme coins. This would be interesting. Oh no, this one I won't definitely have it open here. Where we have to let us watch categories meme coin. Category. I have to sort it by market cap. Memes. Shiba Inu, come on, blood. 6 billion. Never ever want to go there. We never ever. So definitely much more interesting is Bonk and Pepe. Flock is not so interesting because Flock is also previous bull run. So for me, Bonk and Paper are interesting. I'm holding also some Paper. Bonk I sold. They made 100%, so 10K and 20K made profits, 10K profits. So yeah, this is definitely coins which I'm watching to buy if they're cooling down. And then there is where I also throw some money in is in here, how it called, but if this is real gambling, bro. This is real gambling. Here Bob I put money in because yeah, Bob saw some nice pump. We're cooling down here to also support line right now. This definitely Bob could, I think, make a nice move and has only 26 million market cap. But this is don't watch this. This is really this is all gambling. By the way, here's where I'm posting all my the whole time about what I'm doing here. My Solana short. I forgot to like that. Here I wrote you Solana bigger than ETH. In the future, I don't think so. This I did only for the reach. But Cubic bigger than Solana, I definitely think, because Cubic has a much better it's a much better blockchain because it's the best blockchain actually, because it's for free transaction fees. There are no transaction fees. It has a bigger TPS and so on and so on, if it will work out. So Cubic, I think Cubic, if it always all works out, Cubic can make at least 10x from here, but some people speaking about 100 to 1000x even from here. It has a market cap right now 250 million approximately. I don't know, brother. So I would be very happy if this happened, because we bought it very cheap. Gala also holding. Gala also holding. Wait a minute. I go quickly. Okay, my son is woke up. I go to toilet and I come back and I make quick TA on Matic and Gala, and then I have to go. We go breakfast with us. 1 second. Короче. Okay, let us quickly have a look on Matic. So Matic had already a huge pump, and Matic we bought also. I immediately took the chance and bought it very cheap back as soon as we saw this drop on Matic happened. I think, yeah, I bought it here somewhere around 50 cents. I bought nearly the bottom. So yeah, a nice 100% gains. That's amazing. And Matic had all-time high at $3. So obviously $3 is the price target here. In case we see a cool down, the cool down will be easily happen to the price target of 75 cents approximately, because see here huge support, the resistance. It's very easy. It's very easy to see that we could see here cool down. In best case, we could see cool down to a level of 62 cents, but I wouldn't buy Matic right now. 37%. Why I wouldn't buy Matic? Because I think the market cap is huge. How big is the market? The market cap is 10 billion now. I wouldn't buy Matic right now. 10 billion market cap is massive market cap. So I have already Matic. I bought some Matic here at 50 cents. That's enough. How much Matic I, by the way, bought? Wait a minute. Yes, Matic. Matic or Matic, how to pronounce it. So yeah, I bought it 55 cents and 57 cents. So I bought exactly here. Wait a minute. Here and here approximately. That's nice. Very good buy. So $15,000 I bought. So it's 30K. Not so much, but it's okay. It's okay. This is like a no-brainer. I think Matic, but the market cap is very high. Still, I do here a reminder in case. Oh, I have logarithmic still on. So in case we are cooling down to 63 cents, I would buy more of Matic because this is no-brainer. And Gala, somebody asked. Gala USD. So Gala, I also bought a lot of Gala. Actually, I bought. Wait a minute. Let me quickly check how much Gala I bought. And when I bought Gala, I wrote everything I wrote in Telegram group. So at 38 cents, I bought one time. Here I bought somewhere. This is not the best. I mean, in the long term it's a good entry, but then I bought at 29 cents. So here, and then I bought at 20 cents. Oh, nice. But it dumped even more. 20 cents. How much I have? 15. Also not much. What? 15, 20, 22 500 or something like that. 22,000 I bought. So I didn't make much profits now, but Gala is a nice buy opportunity. Definitely in case it cool down again to 26 cents. So this could be a nice buy opportunity. 26 cents and to 21 cents. So yeah, that's where I would buy, but I wouldn't buy more now. And Gala can make obviously from here it can do 20x 600k. I would make 20x to the if we are going to the all-time high. But let me quickly check what was the market cap. It's 1 billion market cap, I remember. Yeah, it's maybe 1 billion, but yeah, it had 5 billion market cap. Right now already 1 billion, so 5x, huh? The market cap didn't. Market cap rise. It's not so good. Because 20x from here is 20 billion. But still possible, still possible. What do you mean buy Gala notes? 3 million Gala for note. What do you mean? Why? XRP, nothing, bratan. XRP is too much, too high market cap. Yes, Matic I covered. Tell me, Matic Coleman, tell me about the Gala note, what you said. And how much you can make profits on that. Maybe I buy Gala node. Second. Myria. What is Myria? Myria. Okay, Myria. Oh, Maria has only 188 million market cap. What is Maria? Maria Gala is too high. Market cap, Discord, Maria 1 million estimate profit. 100 million estimate profit coming soon, inshallah. Yeah, my watch developers who made the disaster of a project don't invest in the other project. Okay. Maria to $1, my god, man. Some people make a good entry just on shitcoin, wannabe IMX. But what is it? Ethereum layer 2 scaling. Scale NFT blockchain game, I mean, okay, it's same like a mutable X. But is it better than a mutable X? Ooh. Nice, it's testing, it's retesting 50s. 2 year ROI, 2 years ROI is too long. But what about this project? I don't know anything about it. I mean, $100 million markup. I stay think with AI. I mean, is it already in the gaming category? Let me have a look on the game. Illuvium is definitely a coin which I would like to buy back. Illuvium has a huge potential. We're testing right now support already. So it's already 27%. So we could cool down in case Bitcoin is cooling down. We could cool down as low as 78 cents or even as low as 67. This would be nice. Yeah, we are. The price target is here, immediate short term $177. So I mean, if we're cooling down to 67 cents, this could be a nice buy opportunity. Beam, yeah, Beam as well. That's right, true. I forgot about Beam. Beam definitely. Warte, ich bin im Livestream. Wann kommen? Wann kommen? Sind die gleich da? But 1 second, I go now offline balance because my wife Beam, oh yeah, Beam will definitely cool down 60 to 70% as we watched already the other coins. So yeah, you see here, so 10 cents, and price target is here at least 10 cents and 11 cents. Whoa, yeah, this would be nice. Beam to buy back easily. It's way overbought. Beam has a market cap of, where we have black. What is the fully diluted market cap? 1.2 billion. The fully diluted, but okay, it's but I think it cool. I hope it will cool down because nice, boom, 60 to 140% upwards potential. Yeah. Okay, bratans, I have to go. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you, and I would appreciate if someone could cut this video for the main things, you know, and send me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram, or on my my here, Crypto Bratan here. If you make private DM, if someone could cut this live stream to the main points, you know, like the coins which we did and so on, covered. So this would be amazing, Bradans, and maybe we can work together. Thank you everyone for watching. Kiss you and see you later.